Students, I have noticed that only few students submit their homework daily. They are Sarthak, Aryan, Vakar, Jinal, Palak, Alia. So now I will give them a chocolate. Oops! I have only one chocolate. Let's share this chocolate equally among them. So, 2 pieces for Sarthak, 2 pieces for Aryan, 2 pieces for Vakar, then for Jinal 2 pieces, even Palak will get 2 pieces and Alia will also get 2 pieces. So, I have divided the chocolate among them. Let's learn further our new chapter, chapter number 6, division. And here is the symbol of division. Introduction. So students, what is division? Division is just the reverse process of multiplication. It can be defined as division is repeated subtraction of same number. It is the fourth basic operation of mathematics after addition, subtraction and multiplication. The symbol of division is here, slipping line and 2 dots up and down. Let us understand. Division is the repeated subtraction of the same number. 12 divided by 4. So we will subtract 4 from 12. We will get the answer 8. Again we will subtract 4 from 8. We will get the answer 4. Again we will subtract 4 from 4. We will get the answer 0. So we have subtract the number till we get the answer 0. So we have subtract 1, 2 and 3 times. So here we have subtract 4 from 12 3 times. So we can say 12 is divided by 4 gives 3. That is 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Let us understand. Division is reverse process of multiplication. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So here are the 12 balls. 3 sets of ball and 4 ball in each set. Means we get the 3 set with 4 balls. That is 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So here is the reverse process of multiplication. What is the use of division? We use division when repeated subtraction is too long. It is used to share number or things into equal groups or parts. It is also used to solve the sum easily, quickly and accurately. All the places have special names in division. Here 20 divided by 5. In division, we are going to use this symbol. So here we will write 20 below the slipping line and we will write 5 in the curved line. We are using this symbol in division method. Now we will divide 20 by 5. So for this we will say 5 times table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. So we got 20 over here. So we will write 4 at the top of the slipping line and 20 below this 20. Now we will subtract 20 minus 20. So 20 minus 20 we will get 0. Students, in this method all the places have special names. So the number which is being divided is called dividend. So 20 is dividend. The number which divides the dividend is called divisor. So 5 is divisor. The answer obtained in the process of division is called quotient. So 4 is quotient. The leftover number is called remainder. So here 0 is remainder. Students, in division sums, we get answer at the top of the slipping line. Solve the following division by using dots. 24 divided by 8. Students, now we are going to do division sum by using dots method. So the number which is given in divisor is 8. We have divisor here 8. So we will put the dot 8 dots in a line and we will make the set of 8 dots till we get 24 dots. So in first line I have arranged 8 dots. Now I will arrange second line with 8 dots. So 8 plus 8 we got 16. Now again 8 dots in third line. 16 plus 8 we got 24. So we got here first row of 8 dots, second row of 8 dots and third row of 8 dots. So 3 rows are formed, therefore 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. Let us do one more example. Solve the following division by using dots. 20 divided by 5. So your divisor is 5. So we will take 5 dots. We will arrange in one line. Now below this dot we will again take 5 dots till we get 20 dots. So 5 plus 5, 10. Again 5 dots. It becomes 15. Again 5 dots. It becomes 20. So our dividend is 20. So we will do 20 dots. And divisor is 5, so we will arrange 5 groups of the dots. So we got here first row, second row, third row and fourth row of 5 dots. So now 4 rows are formed, therefore 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. I hope you have understood the dot method of division. Thank you.